Ladies and gentlemen, we need to add a holiday list into Zoho project. So follow me, let's get it done. Ladies and gentlemen, right over here on your dashboard, you can see I've got a few options here, and on the top right, we're going to look for the setup icon, and here we're going to go down and look for portal configuration. Now once portal configuration opens up, you can see over here there's a business calendar option. Now what we want to do is we've got standard business hours, and this is by default what has been added in here. What we can do is we can say holiday lists. You can see here some holiday lists, and then date and time settings. Now there's two ways to add a new holiday list and create days within that holiday list. So you can click on holiday list here and click on new holiday list. You're going to go ahead and you're going to give it a new name. So just say new list, and here we can select associated business hours, so we can make them our standard business hours. Then what you want to do is go ahead and add holidays. Okay, so let's say we want to make the 22nd of January a holiday. You have to now, of course, give it a name. So we are going to say Workers' Day, and we can say save. You can now also go ahead and add another holiday. You have to give it a name. So we can say end of January. Okay, awesome. Now, whatever else you would like to add in here on a more serious note, you're more than welcome to go ahead and add in here. You can go through the entire calendar year and add in whatever holidays you need to add in. Now, it'll tell you the total number of holidays in your holiday list, and you are simply going to go down and click on add. It's very simple. You now have a holiday list over here. So if you see holiday list, you can see here, these are our holiday lists. You can also go back to business hours, and you can create new business hours. So if you create new business hours, when you create a holiday list, you can actually just change the business hours within that holiday list. Let's say you want to change them from full day to half day, or whatever the case may be. You go ahead and you create your business hours name, and then you can change the working hours, add it to one of the lists that you've already created, or you can add a new holiday list and click on add.